We're back with this thing again. This was reassembled incorrectly. On that video, I got some comments saying I was being impatient. And that's because I had a cold that day. And I just don't function well when I have a cold. I was trying to do something so that the day wasn't a total wash, but I should have just let the day be a total wash, because I tried to do something and it didn't go well. So I'm going to go back into this thing and correct the assembly error. So the problem here is that the label is on the bottom, whereas it should be on the top. So unfortunately the whole thing has to pop out again, I think, to correct this. I was told that this is some kind of fire retardant paper, which is interesting. It does kind of feel like there's a coating of something on here. I still don't feel like that makes it all that safe though. Alright, let's get this thing reopened and then we'll close it properly. Now I'm not going to necessarily enjoy this procedure any more than I did the first time, but at least this time I won't be impatient. There might be some extra tension in there now because this has a little bit of extra force from that piece that's not supposed to be there. Okay, so all we got to do is simply move this off of there. Alright, I think it's back together. Looks like it. And now this I suppose we don't know. Oh no, it is keyed. This goes like this, and this is supposed to go on top of here. Like that. I'm still not convinced that this is a nice, safe product I would use unattended. Even if you have this piece of fire retardant paper in the back, and what's stopping it from catching the plastic housing on fire from any other direction? Okay, let's check it to make sure that it's working. I think it sounded like that before. The lights are working, they're just very dim. Oh, you know, I should have bent the pins back while I was in there to make the connections a little tighter. Oh well. Suppose we could always go back in there someday. But for now, that's fixed. It's assembled properly. And it took a fraction of the time. That's the power of working with a clear head.